Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of different unboxings. We do makeup hauls and makeup looks. I'm starting to do more get ready with me videos. So if you enjoy unboxings and makeup and get ready with me videos, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. As you can see from the thumbnail today, I have the wired GlobeIn box. So we'll get in here and see exactly what is in the wired box. But I do first want to say thank you so very much to GlobeIn. They did reach out to me and ask if they could send me a box and I would review it. I was like, of course. I have had GlobeIn on my channel before and I love it. So it was a no-brainer. I will put a link down below if you would like to check out GlobeIn, as well as a promo code SouthernMom50. That will actually get you 50% off your first box of any 3, 6, 12-month subscription. So any subscription that is 3 months or longer, you're gonna get 50% off your first box. That's awesome. Now, what I love about GlobeIn is they work with fair trade artisans and make sure that the companies that they're working with, like I said, are fair trade, that the artisans are getting fair wages and things like that. Most of the stuff that you get in GlobeIn is handmade, which I think is amazing. And it's just an amazing box. It gives back in so many ways, and everything in any GlobeIn box I've ever received, I'm sure this one will be no exception, is always so unique and beautiful. So let's get in here and see exactly what the wired box is about. Like I said, I will put that link down below as well as the promo code SouthernMom50. So if you would like to sign up for GlobeIn and get 50% off your first month, just use that link and the coupon code. So let's get her open. So this is what it looks like when you open it. The colors inside are gorgeous. And there is always a little pamphlet here that will tell us about the items in our box, as well as a little bit of information about, you know, where they were made, how they were made, potentially who even made our products. So this says, want to get pumped, amped, and fueled, ready for the day, the news, an animated conversation? This coffee kit has got all the accessories you need to jazz up in an easy and civilized fashion. And then it starts talking a little bit about what's in the box, so I'm not going to read that. So it says, this box is here to support your coffee habit with style. We invite you to get wired to your heart's content and be darn dainty while you're at it. So yay, I love me some coffee. So we are just going to start diving in. One thing too about GlobeIn is they package, you can see here, they package all of their boxes so well because, like I said, everything in here is handmade. So all right, so obviously it's a coffee box. Well, we got some coffee. So this is Dean's Beans. And it feels like actual whole beans. It's awesome. So you actually can grind it fresh when you're ready to make a cup of coffee. Activism, Ecology, Development, Organic, Fair Trade Coffee. This is a medium roast. A unique velvet roast with chocolate tones. This bold coffee is a single origin bean from the Atsabe, I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, I apologize, village in East Timor. And it is 4 ounces. So here are our coffee beans. And I'm telling you guys, there's nothing like fresh ground coffee. Let's see what it says in here. Owner of Dean's Beans, local language, grown up for years. Dean's Beans continues to buy all coffee grown in Atsabe and to develop its relationship with the village. Some things have happened recently, including a solar-powered computer training program and a maternal health clinic. So see, they're giving back. So Dean's Beans gets their coffee beans from this amazing single origin location, and they give back and make sure that the employees have fair wages. And that is, again, what I absolutely love about this box. So there are our coffee beans. I can smell it a little bit, but I actually like that I can't smell it, because to me that means it's wrapped up and sealed really good to ensure the freshness. All right, so let's see what else we have. We have a basket. These baskets, you guys, are so cute. I have a couple other baskets like this. This is almost like a purple, but I would say like this is like a purplish indigo, because it has blue tones but purple at the same time. It's really pretty. So we have that, and then we have one other that, nope, might not be just one. Yep, just one. Here, all bubble wrapped. Like I said, they wrap their stuff so well. So let's see what this is, and then we'll get to the basket. It's like bubble wrap and then paper. Well, I just got a glimpse. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. This is gorgeous. Striped sugar bowl. Oh my gosh, and this is handmade in Morocco. Isn't that beautiful? I love this like so much. I think this is stunning, but it doesn't have to be only used as a sugar bowl. And for me, I probably won't use this as a sugar bowl because I have a canister set, and that's actually where we keep our sugar, is in, well, I just realized I had like fingerprints on me or something. But I probably will not use this as a sugar bowl because, like I said, we have the canisters, but this would totally come in handy for storing trinkets, storing Q-tips, storing even jewelry. The possibilities are endless, and it is so, so, so beautiful. So yay. Oh my gosh, I think it's stunning. All right, so then, like I said, we have our basket here, and the basket is hand-woven palm leaf basket from Mexico. Now, what I like about these baskets is obviously you could do like this and you could store stuff in it. You could take it off. Here you have a basket. You could even like repurpose this as a planter, like put a plant kind of already in a stable pot in here just to kind of amp it up. And then you still have this to use as storage. If you like, you know, a foyer and you have like a table or something, you could set this there, and this could be where you put your keys. There's so many things. I mean, you could have two baskets, you could have one, you could make this a planner. It's just, they're gorgeous and they're very, very well made. So I think that, like I said, the possibilities again with this are endless. So all right, let's see. Oh, this is different. So this is a spoon. This feels very nice. Let's see what do they say about this. This is a wood and upcycled cow bone coffee spoon, handmade in Kenya. Wow. You guys, this is stunning. Like, just gorgeous. And so unique. So that's what I'm like. There's so many unique products. This is just so pretty. I don't even know if I'd want to use this. This might just be like a display piece. This is so, so pretty. All right, I think we have one more item that's also here in this basket. So you can see there's the inside of the basket. So like I said, you can put a plant in here. You could store things in here. Just all kinds of possibilities with the basket. So there is that. And then all right, so let's get this open. All right, got the bubble wrap off. And now the paper. It matches the sugar bowl, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh. And this is a striped milk pitcher. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Again, this is handmade in Morocco. Oh my gosh. So you could, especially if you're having like your girlfriends over for tea, you know, or coffee, and you want to, you know, make it a little extra special and fun, you could use the sugar bowl. You could use this for the milk or creamer and just have it right there so you can just keep chatting away and do what us girls like to do and just babble and babble and babble on. But this is stunning. But again, can be used for more than just the milk or creamer. You could use this as a vase, even for, you know, small flowers with spring coming up. You could use this for so many things. I mean, shoot, you could put makeup brushes in this. This is stunning. So say you put, you know, Q-tips or something in the sugar bowl, you could sit this beside it with makeup brushes. I mean, the possibilities are endless. And that is one thing I like about the GlobeIn products as well. Again, because not only are they absolutely stunning and gorgeous and so unique, they literally have so many different uses. So for our wired box, again, I'm a coffee lover, so I had to choose this box. We got some beans, a medium roast coffee. We got the sugar bowl and the striped milk pitcher, but both can be repurposed. Coffee can't really repurpose. I mean, coffee's coffee. We got this beautiful spoon here that, like I said, is just so gorgeous. I don't even know that I want to actually use it. And then, of course, the palm leaf basket that is just so versatile and just, again, endless possibilities of ways to use this. So this is, again, the wired box from GlobeIn. I will put that link and promo code down below for you guys if you'd like to check them out. GlobeIn is a $40 a month subscription with $10 shipping. One thing I do love with GlobeIn is they will have a themed box every month that is, you know, the March or April box. However, they will usually have at least 3 to 5, sometimes more other options, and you can choose a different box if the box of the month isn't really your taste or something you think you would use. And I think that that is so awesome. You do not see any other subscription companies giving you the choice to choose between whatever, you know, however many different boxes. So I think that is a great, unique aspect of GlobeIn as well. Not to mention, again, they give back, and I just love that. So let me know what you think down below. Do you already get GlobeIn? Are you thinking about it? Let me know. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.